Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off your phone app from running in the background on your Windows 10 device. So if you're just looking to turn this off so that your Android or iOS smartphone or smart device is not linked up to your computer all the time, so this should be pretty straightforward and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So we are going to start by opening up the Start menu. Just left click on the Start button one time. Select the Settings gear icon on the left side. Where you hover over it, it'll say Settings. So go ahead and just left click on that. Select the Privacy tile. And then on the left side, you want to go ahead and select where it says Background Apps. So you're going to have to scroll down underneath App Permissions and then go down to Background Apps. Notice it's not in alphabetical order. You actually have to go down underneath App Permissions and then a little bit further. See that again it says Background Apps. And then once you're here, it says choose which apps can run in the background. You want to go ahead and scroll down until you found your phone, which is actually what it'll say. It'll say your phone here, usually at the way bottom. Go ahead and just toggle this to the off position by clicking inside the oval one time to turn it off. And then once you've done that, you're pretty much good to go. Go ahead and close out of here, restart your computer, and that should be about it. So just know when it is off that you might miss different notifications from the applications if they are relying on store apps. So you might have a little bit of a syncing incompatibility there perhaps, but generally speaking, this is what I'd recommend if you're just looking to disconnect it from running in the background of your device. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.